Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a healthy banana oatmeal pancake. It's gluten-free and delicious. I have a fully ripe banana. I'm just going to mash that with a fork. I'm going in with an egg, some cinnamon powder. I'm going to whisk that till it's nice and foamy. And I'm going to go in with some oats flour. In there I also have some salt and baking soda. You can either buy oats flour or you can just toss your whole grain oats in a blender, a magic bullet, or a food processor. Now this is not the consistency I'm looking for, so I'm going to go in with some whole milk. You can use evaporated milk, almond milk, 2% milk, whatever milk you choose to use. You're just going to kind of eyeball it and add a little bit at a time. This is perfect. I'm going to fry these over medium heat. I'm going in with some olive oil and I'm going to put in my batter, and these will take about 2 minutes per side to cook through. Now I'll do a double flip on each pancake. You want to really eyeball these because of the banana. They can burn easily. These are all done and they are smelling and looking delicious. I'm gonna go in with some Aunt Jemima pancake syrup, and on top of that I have some banana slices. I'm telling you, you have to try this recipe. It's healthy, it's gluten-free. Give it a try, guys.